In the last video, we added the multiple choice and select all that apply question.
In this video, we will add the long answer text box and the submit button. To add a large text box under the select all that apply, we will add a BR tag, a div tag, with the class of form. Inside the opening and closing div tag, we will add a label tag. This is for long answer. We will close the starting tag and put the text, why do you, and then a bunch of underscore. Then we would put a question mark and close the label tag. Then we would put a BR tag. And after that, still inside the div tag, we will add a text area ID. The text area ID is box, with the name of long answer. There will be 11 rows, and the calls is 50. And then you would end the div tag.
Now let's run that and see what it looks like. Look, now we have a text area. Now that we have our large text box, let's add our submit button. For the submit button, under the closing div, we will add 2 BR tags. In the line under that, we will have a div with the class of form. Next, in between those 2 div tags, we will have a form tag, with the action of form and .html. Good. Now in between the form tags, we will have an input with the type of submit. And the value of submit with an exclamation point. Now we will close the tag. Good. Now after we close the form element, let's run it. Look, now we have a submit, which goes to form and .html. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to add the CSS.